Hi everyone, this is Meikle here and I'm with Rosie. A few of my Hawthorn class members wanted to say hello, so I thought I'd bring her on here and let her say hello and wish you the best of luck with multiplication and division this week. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to get up to this week. This week we're focusing on multiplication word problems, which is going to be looking at the relationship of multiplication and a repeated addition, which you're all really confident with, so make sure you try your hardest today. So you're going to read the questions. So Tom buys 3 cinema tickets costing £5 each. How much does he spend? If you can talk with an adult or an older sibling, then that would be great, and talk about how you would get there. Once you've done this, you can then look at the answer that they've given you. So you could have added 5, add 5, add 5 for each of the cinema tickets, and your answer should be 15. Or you might have wanted to do multiplication, and that would be 5 times 3 equals 15. So do what suits you best today, whether that's repeated addition or multiplication. And then when you scroll down, there's another one, very, very similar. Sam has 4 plant pots. She wants to buy 2 beans in each pot. How many beans must she buy? So again, talk to your adult or older sibling, or even just write down some addition or multiplication sentences that you think is the answer. Once you've done that, come back and see if you've got the right answer. Again, down here, it's more worded problems linking to multiplication and repeated addition. Again, think about which one suits you best. If you find repeated addition easiest, then go for that, and then challenge yourself later on with multiplication. And the last one is very similar to the one before. Again, there are 6 sunflowers in the garden. Each sunflower has 5 petals. How many petals do the sunflowers have altogether? And use your repeated addition or multiplication, and try and do both at this point, because this will be the last question. So good luck today with multiplication, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely week. Good luck. On to division and word problems. We're going to start with the first one. Bella has 10 wormeries and 30 worms to share equally between them. How many worms go in each wormery? So let's look at how you could work this out. If you share equally the amount that's given, so that's 30 worms between 10 wormeries. What we used to draw is the 10 wormeries and then draw out your 30 worms to see how many go in each. And that's an easier way of how to do it. Or you could do a division sentence, which is 30 divided by 10 equals 3. So hopefully once you've drawn your circles, you had 3 in each one. Let's move on to the next one. Bob has 35 pigeons in his collection. He can house 5 pigeons in each cage. How many cages does he need to house all the pigeons? So if you're grouping an amount equally, this is division. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So now you've gone through a few division worded problems. Now work your way through the rest. Please feel free to use practical objects for division and multiplication in case you needed to get that going. And then you can hopefully work your way into pictorial, so drawing them out if you need to. If not, just use your multiplication or repeated addition to help you by counting in your 2, 5s or 10s as well. I hope you've had a lovely time. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.